And its reply is awaited in this, and there is also an IA 813 minutes whereby the application for interim direction is preferred by the
Direction.
Manage, the amount which is for disbursement, that is amounting to rupees 22,338,510 rupees in the impugned order, that may be disbursed towards the petitioner's manage, because
नहीं तो क्या is there any stay?
manage, there is not there is
When you
no
file execution, किसका order है ये?
manage,
That is that I'm the proxy counsel on behalf of the
प्रॉक्सी नहीं होता वकील साहब, या तो आप अपने पैरों पे खड़े हुए हैं या यहाँ पर नहीं है। मेरे कोर्ट में कोई प्रॉक्सी काउंसिल नहीं है। आप आए तो कृपा करके फाइल लेकर आए, बात पूरी बताएं, ठीक है? नहीं तो मत आए कृपा करके। There is no provision of proxy counsel in my court.
It's due to medical emergencies.
मेडिकल इमरजेंसी क्या हो गई?
He's not feeling well today. That's why he's not.
नहीं ये सब मेडिकल पेपर फाइल किया है आपने क्या? मेडिकल पेपर्स कहाँ है? लाइए दीजिए।
I'm not having the.
नहीं तो ये सब नहीं, ये सब कहानी मत बताइए। कहाँ है ऑर्डर?
manage, that is an annexure P1 MP Industrial Court का order है manage.
तो उसको एग्जीक्यूशन लगाइए, उसको एग्जीक्यूट कराइए।
Manage, this particular impugned order, the amount which has been awarded towards the petitioner is under challenge, manage, because we are the
You are seeking enhancement of this amount.
enhancement, manage, because we the amount which has
नहीं
been
तो आप जब तक
जी
को क्लैरिफाई कर देते, you are free to file execution for the remaining amount.
manage.
ठीक है, लिखिएगा। मिस, आपका शुभ नाम बताइए।
Mrs. Kaushiki Mishra, manage.
Mrs. Kaushiki Mishra raised for withdrawal of IA 21813/24, as this court is of the opinion that petitioner is always at liberty to get the impugned award executed in her favor, irrespective of the fact that a petition for enhancement of the compensation is pending before the High Court. Full stop. As there is no cross appeal, sorry, there is no counter case filed by the respondent company, comma, trial court is directed to execute its own award in letter and spirit.
Manage.
ठीक है, next para. Shri
Krishna Sharma.
Shri Krishna Sharma submits that he is a proxy counsel to Shri Kuldeep Bhargav. There is no provision for proxy counsel in the High Court. Arguing counsel is not present. There is no adjustment filed. In view of such facts, it is seen that proceedings are being delayed on account of non-availability of the respondent counsel. Shri Krishna Sharma is not ready to argue this matter. Subject to cost of rupees 20,000 and by way of last indulgence, 10 days time is granted to the counsel to appear and argue this matter.
That's
ठीक है. There is no medical certificate also on record. ऊपर ये भी लिख लीजिएगा. Cost, ठीक है ना? List on date दे रहे हैं, उस डेट को आइएगा.
minutes.
May I-
28 जनवरी 2025.
Manage, may I make a humble request, manage, if that can be done in a time bound manner, manage.
What
The
time?
execution.
एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए तो आपको लगाना पड़ेगा.
Manage,
कानून तो
we'll
पढ़िए
do-
मैडम.
नहीं, manage,
33 C2 का आवेदन लगता है, पढ़िए तो.
जी, manage, we'll do it.
खड़े होने से का बहस नहीं होती है.
Manage, we'll do it.
यहाँ 5 मिनट बहस करने के लिए 5 घंटे पढ़ना पड़ता है.
That's a humble request that we will file the reply. Cost may be.
रिप्लाई की जरूरत ही नहीं ना. 2022 से मैटर पेंडिंग है.
but
Why
we will-
this luxury?
It's due to medical emergency.
हाँ,
it's
ठीक
not
है, कोई
available to
डॉक्यूमेंट
us.
नहीं है. सॉरी.
We will file the reply. Ma'am.
हाँ. In the meanwhile, reply be filed on or before 15 January.
Cost breaking. That's that.
And case will be taken, rejoinder on or before 21 January. Case will be taken up for final disposal on 28 January. चलिए.
Oblige, manage.
That's reply के लिए adjourn हुआ था matter तो.
हाँ ठीक है ना, तो क्यों नहीं रिप्लाई फाइल किया आपने?
That's we will file the reply. It's cost.
नहीं तो कॉस्ट पे ही तो होगा. ये 13/4 को एडजॉर्न हुआ था, उसके पहले 17/7 को हुआ, फिर ठीक है ना,
सेकंड डेट ही है मनोज
कोई
सर।
बात नहीं, कोई बात। चलिए नेक्स्ट केस। बड़ी कंपनियां हैं, कॉस्ट दे सकती हैं।
कॉस्ट में भी इनका
नहीं, सॉरी, रिक्वेस्ट फॉर डिलीशन ऑफ कॉस्ट इज रिजेक्टेड।